sport, was robbed of the spirit of youthful fervor and integrity that won it so much admiration. The violence that erupted at Chennai's Marina beach today, the police stressed, was not the work of students, who were the engine of the powerful week-long movement. Anti-national elements, the cops said, had crept into the area, determined to cause some wreckage as attempts are made to clear the area for Republic Day arrangements. Several public personalities, however, blamed the police and the government for failing to engage with students, who, last Tuesday, assembled at the shoreline and then put out calls for support on social media. The response was immediate and evocative: lawyers, IT professionals, parents with young children in tow,